Duplicate rows in Excel can really mess up your analysis. As an example, you might be counting the same sale multiple times, and before you know it, you're reporting 10 million in revenue when it's actually 8. It's not good. All right, so before we trust our data, let's fix it. So there's 2 steps for removing duplicates. First, we highlight them, and then we decide the best approach for actually removing them. So to highlight all the duplicates, I select all of my data, and you can use Control A to do that. Then I go to the Home tab, look for Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and at the bottom, Duplicate Values. And in this case, it looks like I have 2 people that are exactly the same, but I've also got another person with a different name, but the same ID number. And my choices are to only remove rows that are exactly the same all the way across, or to also remove rows where only one column is the same. And we're going to try both ways. So I'll select all of my data again, but I'm going to go to the Data tab and remove duplicates. And if I leave these settings as is with all the fields checked, it'll keep the first row for that person, but it's going to remove every duplicate after that, but only where it's the same all the way across. So I'll do that now. Now, if I also want to remove this other row where the ID is the duplicate, we're going to select all of our data again, go back to remove duplicates, but only check the employee ID column. Again, it'll leave the first, but remove the second. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full Excel course in the links below.